What should you look for in an OpenStack provider? It's no secret that implementing OpenStack is a big deal. After all, running applications and storing data in a cloud model is a great way to increase flexibility and decrease IT and operational costs within your business or organization. Taking advantage of OpenStack's architecture, in particular, can help ensure that your organization's cloud deployment is quick and efficient. However, when deciding to implement OpenStack, you want to make sure that you're making the right choices when it comes to your provider. For example, your vendor should be OpenStack certified, while you also want to make sure that they have a solution that will support your unique needs, whether it be regarding the deployment or anything else for that matter. It's also crucial that you find one that is as flexible as you need, let alone one that you can trust. Let's dive in. Is your OpenStack provider certified? The OpenStack Foundation requires that OpenStack providers fulfill 3 technical requirements. Firstly, the vendor must be able to run a functioning operational instance of the OpenStack software. Additionally, the product has to pass all of OpenStack's tests to make sure that the vendor is implementing a sufficiently current and complete version of the software, ensuring compatibility and interoperability. The OpenStack projects and release versions used must be clearly stated in the product to set customer expectations in a way that is noticeable to you. How will they support you through OpenStack deployment? Before you deploy OpenStack, you need to ask yourself some questions. What sort of support model are you looking for? Is your IT department able to continue to run the cloud after deployment? Is your IT department able to handle the upgrades? Should you train an in-house team? As you can see, it's easy to get carried away, so we recommend taking the time to discuss the support models that your potential provider offers during and after deployment. This way, you can make sure that you have everything you need to run and maintain OpenStack. How much flexibility can be built into your OpenStack solution? The right vendor will be able to work with multiple different OpenStack distributions, accommodating the hardware, strategy, and OpenStack projects that will benefit your cloud solution best. You're not a one-size-fits-all kind of enterprise, so why should your infrastructure be? Part of the OpenStack community since 2011, here at VEXXHOST, we are OpenStack certified, boasting OpenStack software that has been validated through testing to provide API compatibility for OpenStack core services. We are also contributors to this infrastructure as well. Therefore, if you are thinking about deploying an OpenStack-powered private cloud, we've got you covered. From gathering requirements, architecting, testing, deploying, and even the management and maintenance of your private cloud, leverage our experience and expertise to help your business grow with OpenStack. Here to create a one-of-a-kind OpenStack solution for you, we will be there every step of the way.